Year 6, Lesson 5, Extensive Exercise, Question 1. According to the figure below, the electronic flea can jump from one circle to the next. The red flea jumps 71 steps clockwise from the circle marked with 0 and lands in a circle. A black flea also jumped from the circle 0, but it jumps 41 steps counterclockwise, so in the opposite direction. What is the product of the numbers in the two circles where the two fleas land? So as they're both going in separate directions, let's consider the red flea and the black flea separately. Now, the red flea is going 71 steps clockwise. Now, this is a cycle problem as we're going round and round and round the circle. Okay, so let's work out how many circles there are in each complete cycle. So the red flea, so in other words, how many steps if we leave from 0 before we get back to 0. Now, as we can see, there are circles labelled from 0 to 11. That means in total, including the 0, we have 12 circles. So it takes 12 steps to return back to our starting position. So therefore, we'll divide our 71 steps into groups of 12 to see that we get 5 complete cycles with a remainder of 11. Okay, so the remainder tells us where the flea will be. So we can count 11 spaces on from circle 0 and we get to circle 11. Okay? Lands on 11. You might also notice that this is just one space from completing the 6th complete cycle. So we're one space before getting to 0 again. Now, next we can consider the black flea. Okay? The black flea is also in the same cycle of 12 steps. However, it's going counterclockwise. So the black flea, we are now going to divide 41 steps by 12. And that's going to give us 3 complete cycles with a remainder of 5. So we need to count 5 spaces anti-clockwise this time from 0. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the black flea lands on circle 7. So, to finish off this question, it asks for the product of the two numbers in the two circles. So now we've got 7 and we've got 11. We can multiply these together to get our final answer of 77. And we're finished.